Hi and welcome along. In today's video we're going to be going through a little request I've had for a song called Good Riddance by Green Day. So I do hope you enjoy this one. It's a bit of a crowd pleaser, a great acoustic guitar song. So go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right then, so let's get straight into it. So this is what we're going to be learning. It goes like this. So let's get straight down to that. So first off, we've got the chords G major. So what I'll do, I'll hold that up to the camera for you. So you may be familiar with that. A lot of you play G like that. So this is with the ring finger up on the 3rd fret of the B string. And we're going to put our little pinky down there on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, the E string. Okay, and that gives us this sound. Okay, next one is a little chord known as a C add 9. And what we're going to do, we're just going to bring our 1st and 2nd fingers down one. There we go. So now we're on the 3rd fret of the A string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and keeping our ring finger and pinky finger where they were. So we've gone from G to C add 9. D, your standard D major. I've done a video of how to play all the major, minor, 7th and bar chords in previous videos. So you may want to go back and check them. But there we go, there's a D. And an E minor is those two there. Some of you play it like that, that's fine. I'm a big fan of the 2 middle fingers. There we go. Right, so let's go straight into this. So it's going to be like this. So first off, we've got the G to the C add 9 to the D, and then we do that whole process again. G, C add 9, D, then we got E minor, D, standard C major. Now there we go, C major. Okay, so we've got, so let's just go through that again. So we've got E minor, D, C, back to G. We repeat that again. E minor, D, C, G. Sorry, G. So it's like there's 2 sections of each. So we've got 2 lots of G, G, C add 9, D, and again G, G, C add 9, and then to D. So there was 2 sections of that, and then we've got 2 sections of this, which is E minor, D, C, G, and again E minor, D, C, G, and then the last bit goes E minor, G, E minor, G, E minor, D, G. Okay, so let's go through that again for you. So we've got G, so G twice, C add 9, and then a D. So G, G, C add 9, D, G, G, C add 9, D, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, G, E minor, G, E minor, D, G, Right, now we're going to move up to the strumming pattern. Now, you may have worked it out before if you've been following along, but we'll go through that slowly. So what we're going to do, I want to mute the strings. We're going to lay our fingers over the strings, and we're going to do this pattern. It's down, down, up, up, down, up. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. We'll do that a bit slower for you. So we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, let's put that into, along with the chords. So one more time, here we go. So with that down, down, up, down, up we was doing, it's going to go G, G, C at 9 to D, G, 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 C at 9 and then D, E minor, D, C, G, E minor, D, C, minor, then to G, E minor, then to G, E minor, then to E and to G. So there we are, Good Riddance by the great Green Day. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any song requests you may have that you'd like me to show you how to play in future videos. If you have liked today's video, if you could click like and subscribe for me, that helps me grow the channel, and I'm always so grateful. To those that have done it already, thank you so much. I'll see you real soon in another video. Take care, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.